ऐ कुदसियों के काफिला सालार जिंदाबाद। ऐ कुदसियों के काफिला सालार जिंदाबाद। ऐ कुदसियों के काफिला सालार जिंदाबाद। ऐ कुदसियों के काफिला सालार जिंदाबाद।
Welcome to This Year with Huzoor. Join us as we delve into just some of the key activities of Hazrat Khalifatul Masih V, may Allah be his helper, over the past year, including international tours, mosque openings, addresses at various events, virtual mulaqats, and meeting with dignitaries, to name a few. First, we'll start with Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad Ayyadullah Ta'ala bin Nasr Aziz's tour of Germany. Arriving on August 27, 2023, His Holiness was greeted by over 3,800 Ahmadi Muslims in Frankfurt, marking the start of his impactful visit. From August 28th to August 30th, 2023, more than 47,000 people from around the world gathered in Stuttgart for the Jalsa Salana Germany, 3-day religious convention where Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad, may Allah be his helper, delivered inspiring addresses emphasizing faith and unity. His Holiness spoke on various topics, including the true teachings of Islam, the importance of peace and justice, and being a courageous Muslim in the 21st century.
अब तक मुख्तलिफ सालों में मैं 25 के करीब ये हकूक़ बयान कर चुका हूँ। ये हकूक़ की अदायगी ही वो बुनियादी असूल है जो हर पुरअमन मुआशरे और दुनिया के अमन की ज़मानत है, और इस्लाम ही वो दीन है जिसने इस बारीकी से इन हकूक़ की अदायगी के बारे में हमें तवज्जो दिलाई है।
Ahmadi Muslims from various backgrounds were able to meet and speak to His Holiness, including a delegation of Arab Ahmadis. The Bayat ceremony took place on the final day, bringing together all the attendees in a spiritual gathering.
हमारा था वो अब दिलबर का सारा हो गया, आज हम दिलबर के और दिलबर हमारा हो गया, जो हमारा था वो अब दिलबर का सारा हो गया।
As the Jalsa attendees began to make their way home after the end of the event, beloved Huzoor held an audience with the new Ahmadi converts, who were able to share with him their questions and emotions.
Ich habe bisher Per Huzoor immer meinen Traum gesehen. Heute wurde ein Traum von mir verwirklicht, Alhamdulillah. Es war ein Gefühl, als hätte ich meine Hand im Paradies gehabt.
In addition to this, Hazrat Khalifatul Masih V, may Allah be his helper, also had 19 group audiences with international delegations from 33 countries, including Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Albania, Kosovo, Bosnia, Macedonia, Croatia, Serbia, Turkey, Azerbaijan, Hungary, Romania, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Poland, Georgia, Bulgaria, Ghana, Cameroon, Sao Tome, Niger, Senegal, Burkina Faso, Benin, Uganda, the Gambia, Bangladesh, Latvia, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Algeria, Palestine, and Suriname.
You see, you say you have accepted Islam, right? But only accepting Islam is not enough unless you follow the true teaching of Islam, you offer 5 daily prayers, you read the Holy Quran and know the meaning of it, and practice all the commandments, injunctions given in the Holy Quran. You see, spend your life according to the teaching of Islam, then you will be very much entitled to go to the paradise.
During his Germany tour, Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad Ayyadullah Ta'ala bin Nasr al-Aziz inaugurated several mosques, delivering keynote addresses that highlighted the significance of these places of worship in fostering community and spirituality.
आजकल दुनिया में जो जंगें चल रही हैं वो बड़ी खौफनाक नताइज पैदा कर सकती हैं। अगर ये फैलती गईं, जिसका इम्कान बड़ा वाज़ेह है, तो फिर खौफनाक नताइज पैदा होंगे। और फिर जो हथियार हमारे पास हैं जो जंगों में इस्तेमाल हो सकते हैं वो ऐसे हैं कि हमारी आइंदा आने वाली नस्लों को अपाहज कर देंगी। माजूर बच्चे पैदा होंगे, करोड़ों लोग इस दुनिया से चले जाएंगे। बस इस लिहाज से भी हमें कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि हम आपस में छोटे लेवल पर भी और बड़े पैमाने पर भी अमन, प्यार और सलामती से रहने की कोशिश करें और अपनी हुकूमतों को भी इस तरह तवज्जो दिलाएँ। हुकूमत के नुमाइंदगान भी यहाँ बैठे हैं, उनको भी कहता हूँ इस तरह तवज्जो करें कि अमन और सलामती की फ़ज़ा दुनिया में कायम करें ताकि दुनिया किसी भी बड़ी आलमगीर जंग से बच सके।
On August 28, 2023, His Holiness delivered the keynote address at the opening of the Mubarak Mosque in Florstadt, Germany, where he also met with the local MD members. He emphasized the mosque's role in promoting interfaith harmony and community service. On August 30th, 2023, His Holiness inaugurated the Sadiq Mosque in Carbon, Germany, where he also met the local MDs who had arrived there to see him. In his address, he highlighted the mosque's purpose in fostering mutual respect and understanding among different communities, and emphasizing the responsibility MD Muslims have with regards to helping people in need.
हुकूक अदा करना इस्लाम का बुनियादी हुक्म है। इस्लाम ये तालीम नहीं देता कि सिर्फ अपने हकूक़ के लिए लड़ो। इस्लाम ये कहता है कि दूसरों के हक़ अदा करने की कोशिश करो। जब तुम दूसरों के हक़ अदा करने की कोशिश करोगे तो फिर दुनिया में अमन भी कायम होगा और मोहब्बत और प्यार का मुआशरा भी कायम होगा। और यही चीज़ है जिसकी हमें आज दुनिया में ज़रूरत है।
September 5th, 2023, the Nasir Mosque in Weiblingen, Germany, where Hazrat Khalifatul Masih V, Ayyadullah Ta'ala bin Nasr al-Aziz, met the local MDs and also planted a tree at the site of the mosque. The mosque was inaugurated with a special reception where His Holiness delivered a powerful keynote address. He remarked on the mosque's role in community building and social cohesion. Afterwards, His Holiness was also interviewed by the media present at the event. During the tour, His Holiness also graced members of the Ahmadiyya Muslim Community with private audiences. With this, our brief look at the Germany tour comes to an end. Next up, we move on to the various ijtimas graced by Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad Ayyadullah Ta'ala bin Nasr al-Aziz, where he delivered inspiring addresses at the annual gatherings of different auxiliary organizations within the Ahmadiyya Muslim community. On September 24th, 2023, His Holiness delivered a faith-inspiring address to conclude the 44th National Ijtima of Lajna-e-Mahilla UK.
Women must play a fundamental role in safeguarding their home and family environment, especially in terms of raising their children. At the same time, Hazrat Muslim Maud made it clear Ahmadi ladies are duty-bound to serve their society and to strive for its prosperity, especially by conveying the teachings of Islam. Hence, no Ahmadi woman should be under the misconception that the belief is just for men. Rather, consider it your mission.
On October 1st, 2023, Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad, may Allah be his helper, addressed the National Ijtima of Majlis Khuddam al-Ahmadiyya UK, motivating the young men and boys of the community with his guidance. Huzoor emphasized the importance of moral and spiritual training, urging the youth to be exemplary in their conduct. A historic pledge was also offered by the Khuddam, marking it the second time that this pledge has ever been offered.
I swear by Allah, and proclaim that I will always endeavor to convey and propagate the teachings of Islam, Ahmadiyya.
On October 8, 2023, His Holiness concluded the Ansar Ijtima with a powerful address, encouraging the elder members of the community to remain steadfast in their faith and to be role models for the younger generation.
ये अंसारुल्लाह की उम्र तो ऐसी है जैसा कि हज़रत मुस्लिम मऊद ने फरमाया कि नमाज और ज़िक्र इलाही की तरफ तवज्जो देनी चाहिए, लेकिन इस जायज़े में आपके सामने ये बात आ जाएगी कि हमारी हालत में बहुत कमज़ोरी है। हमने हज़रत मसीह अलैहिस्सलाम की बैत की है, इस बात पर बैत की है कि खुदा ताला की हुकूमत को दुनिया में कायम करेंगे, शैतान की हुकूमत को दुनिया से मिटाएंगे, दीन को दुनिया पर मुकद्दम रखेंगे। तो क्या फिर अल्लाह ताला के हुक्मों और फ़राइज़ जो हमारे ज़िम्मे डाले गए हैं, इन पर अमल किए बग़ैर हम ये मकसद हासिल कर सकते हैं? हरगिज़ नहीं। बस इस तरफ ख़ास तवज्जो की ज़रूरत है।
His Holiness also spoke at the Peace Symposium, calling for global harmony and de-escalation of global conflict and nuclear weapon production.
With all my heart, I hope and pray that before it is too late, the world comes to its senses and brings an end to the brutalities and wars taking place in the world.
Next, we turn to the various addresses delivered by His Holiness at significant events such as Jalsas and Eid, where his words of wisdom resonated deeply with attendees. On December 31st, 2023, His Holiness delivered a powerful address at the Qadian Jalsa, inspiring the community with his profound insights. He spoke about how the Ahmadiyya Muslim community grew from a hamlet in Qadian to the corners of the earth.
आज आप लोग जो कादियान में जलसा में शामिल हैं और वो सब लोग जो अपने अपने ममालिक में जलसा में शामिल हैं, इस बात की तस्दीक कर रहे हैं कि हज़रत मिर्ज़ा ग़ुलाम अहमद अलैहिस्सलाम यकीनन वही मसीह मऊद और महदी मऊद हैं जो हज़रत सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की पेशगोई के मुताबिक आए और जिनके साथ अल्लाह ताला की ताईदात हमेशा रही हैं और रहेंगी इंशाअल्लाह। हर अहमदी को भी यह ऐद करना चाहिए कि हज़रत मसीह अलैहिस्सलाम की बेअसत के मकसद को पूरा करने के लिए हमने मुसलसल कोशिश करनी है, अपनी ज़ाहिरी और बातनी हालतों का जायज़ा लेते रहें, इनको बेहतर करते की कोशिश करते रहें।
On February 24th, 2024, Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad Ayyadullah Ta'ala bin Asl Aziz addressed the Ghana Jalsa, sharing his wisdom and vision with the many attendees who could be seen virtually in Ghana. He emphasized the significance of unity and cooperation among the members of the community and kindness to humanity.
The blessed seed planted a century ago in Ghana, attesting to the truth of the promised Messiah al-Islam, has flourished and borne countless fruits. Certainly, the Ahmadiyya Muslim community is now well known in every part of Ghana. In fact, if you meet a Ghanaian in any country, even if they are not Ahmadi, they invariably recognize and know the Ahmadiyya Muslim community and hold it in high regard. Where the Jamaat in Ghana is furthering the cause of Islam through tabligh, it has also established schools, colleges, hospitals, and other vital services which have long been a means of outstanding service to the people of your nation. Accordingly, as you move forward, you must pay close attention to your duties and appreciate that. Where reaching your centenary is a means of happiness for you, it also places a heavy weight of responsibility upon your shoulders.
On April 10th, 2024, His Holiness delivered a heartfelt Eid al-Fitr address, celebrating the joyous occasion with the community and offering guidance for the future. He encouraged members to continue prayer and support those who are facing hardships across the world. Moving forward, we will briefly explore some of the many group mulaqats where Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad, may Allah be his helper, connected with members of the Ahmadiyya community around the world, providing guidance and support. On January 9th, 2024, His Holiness held a virtual mulaqat with Ansarullah France, offering words of encouragement and advice. He emphasized the importance of community service and spiritual growth.
रहनुमाई फरमाएं कि खिलाफत के साथ पुख्ता ताल्लुक़ कायम करने के लिए हमें अपने बच्चों की कैसे तरबियत कर सकते हैं।
आपने किस तरह पैदा किया, जिस तरह आपने पैदा किया तो उसी तरह बच्चों में पैदा कर दें। आपके वालिदैन ने आपसे ताल्लुक़ पैदा करवाया था ना।
हाँ जी।
नसीहत की थी ना, पुराने लोग नसीहतें किया करते थे।
हाँ जी।
पहली बात तो ये है कि खुदा ताला से ताल्लुक़ पैदा करें और अल्लाह से ताल्लुक़ पैदा अपना ज़ाती करें और उसमें दुआ करें अपने बच्चों के लिए। माँ बाप की दुआएं बच्चों के लिए कबूल होती हैं, बच्चों की दुआएं माँ बाप के लिए कबूल होती हैं, ठीक। और उसमें ये दुआ करें कि अल्लाह ताला उनको खुदा ताला से जोड़े, दीन से जोड़े। और दीन से जोड़ने के साथ इस ज़माने में अल्लाह ताला के वादे के मुताबिक, हज़रत सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की पेशगोइयों के मुताबिक मसीह माऊद और मेहदी माऊद आए, उनकी जमात से जोड़े और उन्हीं पेशगोइयों के मुताबिक खिलाफत का निज़ाम जारी होना था, इसलिए खिलाफत से ताल्लुक़ पैदा करें। तो जब ये चीज़ें होंगी, आपके अपने नमूने होंगे, आपकी दुआएं होंगी और बच्चों को प्यार और मोहब्बत से नसीहत होगी, तो उनके ताल्लुक़ पैदा होते रहेंगे।
On January 14th, 2024, Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad Ayyadullah Ta'ala bin Nasr Aziz connected with Khuddam al-Ahmadiyya USA through a virtual mulaqat, inspiring young members to remain steadfast in their faith and to be role models in their respective communities.
Beloved Huzoor, what can we all take away from now going back to America to strengthen our bond with Khilafat, inshallah?
The main lesson is try to be particular in offering 5 daily prayers on time, right?
Lastly, we look at some of the individual mulaqats where Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad, may Allah be his helper, engaged with various leaders and dignitaries, strengthening ties and fostering understanding. On December 14th, 2023, Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad Ayyadullah Ta'ala bin Nasr Aziz met with Ed Davey, discussing important issues and reinforcing the message of peace and cooperation. They discussed ways to promote interfaith harmony and community service. On April 14th, 2024, His Holiness held a meeting with the former President of Ghana, emphasizing mutual respect and collaboration. They discussed various initiatives to promote peace and development.
I was impressed, and I read a lot about him, and so I was not disappointed in how wide his knowledge of the world is, and especially my own country, Ghana.
As we conclude this documentary, we reflect on the profound impact of Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad Ayyadullah Ta'ala bin Nasr Aziz's efforts in promoting peace, unity and spirituality across the globe. May Allah continue to strengthen His hand and bless his endeavors. Thank you for joining us on this journey.
कुदसियों के काफिला सालार जिंदाबाद।